Hi, my name is Lorenzo Flores, and this is my CS120B Final project. My game is called Keypad Hero. To turn on the game, we use this switch, and the LCD will output a message asking the player to pick a difficulty. And we use this button to pick the difficulty. It will be either easy, medium, or hard. The controls for the game will either be 1, 2, or 3 for easy, which will be the lighted up LEDs, 1, 2, 3, and 5 for medium, and 5 will output on this 7 segment, and it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 for hard, and 4 and 6 will output on the 7 segment also. So if we try easy, press the pound sign to start the game, and during the game the LCD outputs the current score. The 7th segment will output either A, B, C, D, or F, depending on the score the player gets. And I got a 22. And to show the other difficulties, is just medium, which also uses this for 5. And this is hard, which also uses the 7th segment for 4 or 6. If the player gets an A, these LEDs will start blinking, meaning the player got an excellent score. And that's my game.